What if you were addicted to productivity? What if finishing your most dreaded tasks felt as compelling as beating the final boss in a video game? For years, I struggled with procrastination. I thought I was lazy. But then I discovered the real problem. My brain wasn't bored. It was understimulated. The solution wasn't to try harder. It was to turn my work into a game. This is the power of gamification. And by the end of this video, you'll have a 4-part framework to build your own productivity game. Let's be clear. Willpower is a finite resource. It's like a muscle that gets tired. Relying on it to get through a boring or difficult task is a losing battle. Your brain is wired to seek immediate rewards. Scrolling through social media gives you a tiny hit of dopamine now. Writing that report gives you a reward, maybe weeks from now. Gamification bridges that gap. It hijacks your brain's own reward system, creating immediate, satisfying feedback for productive behaviors. Here is your 4-part gameplay loop. You need to build these core elements into your day. Part 1, the point system and XP, that's experience points. This is your scoreboard. You need to assign points to every task, but not all tasks are created equal. Don't just give points for showing up. Assign points based on effort and mental energy. Easy tasks are worth 1 to 10 XP. Think answering emails or simple admin work. Medium tasks are worth 25 to 50 XP. This could be writing a section of a report or completing a module of an online course. Hard tasks are worth 100 plus XP. This is for that one big, scary project you've been avoiding. The boss level of your day. Part 2, quests and challenges. This is your mission log. Quests turn a boring to-do list into an adventure. You have daily quests. These are your non-negotiables. For example, finish 3 client reports for 150 XP, or go for a 30-minute walk for 30 XP. Then you have weekly quests. These are bigger objectives. Something like complete the first draft of the presentation for 500 XP, or read 5 chapters of a book for 200 XP. And don't forget side quests. These are fun, optional tasks that enhance your life. Try a new recipe for 75 XP, or call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while for 50 XP. Part 3, levels and progression. This is what keeps you playing long-term. Set XP milestones for leveling up. For example, Level 1 is from 0 to 500 XP. Level 2 is from 501 to 1,500 XP. Level 3 is from 1,501 to 3,000 XP. Watching that progress bar fill up and seeing your level increase triggers a powerful sense of accomplishment. It's visual proof that you're moving forward. Part 4, the reward tier. This is the most important part. XP is meaningless if it doesn't lead to something you actually want. You must create a reward menu. Small rewards cost 50 to 200 XP. This could be a fancy coffee, 30 minutes of guilt-free gaming, or watching your favorite show. Medium rewards cost 201 to 500 XP. This could be buying a new book, going out for a nice meal, or a weekend trip. Large rewards cost 501 plus XP. This is for that new tech gadget you've been wanting, or a weekend getaway. The key is delayed gratification. You must earn the reward. This links the hard work directly to a tangible, positive outcome. So, to recap, ditch the boring to-do list. Build a system with a point system, quests, levels, and rewards. You're not being lazy, you're just playing the wrong game. To make this incredibly easy for you, I've created a free productivity game starter kit. It includes a customizable spreadsheet template, a list of 50 reward ideas, and a guide to the best gamification apps. The link is in the description below. Save this video so you can come back to the framework. Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week I'm breaking down how to combine this with the second brain method for an unstoppable productivity system. Thanks for watching.